Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can check the photos which are shared with you on your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version downloaded. For example, in my case it should be an iOS 18.4. Make sure you have a latest version downloaded. By going to settings, you need to go to the general option here, and you need to check for the software update here that you have an iOS 18.4. In this option, it is actually enabled to check if your photos are shared with you, or you can check any of the photos which are shared for you. For example, you need to go to the photos section, and the menu will look like this. And if you see, or if you go like this, it will show you an option like this arrow on the bottom side. You just need to tap on it, and then you need to go to the filter section, and then a menu like this will come up. As you see that there's an option comes shared with you. Once you tap on it, you can able to see all the photos which are shared with you. And in my case, I have not any photo for sharing, or anyone has shared with me. So that's how you can